Hello guys, welcome to Maths with Aju Karthik. And today we will start with our exercise 5.3 part 3 because in the previous videos I have done first 9 questions and today we are going to start with question number 10. And there are many unique type of questions in this chapter, arithmetic progressions. Let's start. Here, the first one. Show that A1, A2 until AN form an AP where AN is defined as AN equal to 3 plus 4. Also find the sum of first 15 terms. Okay, so here we have been given a sequence. This is the first part of 10th question because in 10th question there are two different parts. So here first nth terms mean nth term is defined as 3 plus 4n and we have to find the sum of first 15 terms. Firstly, we will have to verify that it is an AP and then we will have to find out 15 terms sum. Let's start. Okay, so firstly here AN equal to 3 plus 4n. This is given to us. And now to find the first term will be A1 and here we will put 1. So A1 equal to 3 plus 4 into 1, which will be 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. Now A2 will be, A2 means the second term. It will be 3 plus 4 into 2 means 8. 11. And then it will be A3, which is 3 plus 12, 15. 15, 11 and 7. This is forming a sequence, but to verify this, to show this, what we will do? We will subtract 7 from 11 and then 11 from 15. If the difference comes same, then this is an AP. So, A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2. Here we will write for AP to show that the following sequence is an AP. We will have to show that A2 minus A1 will be equal to A3 minus A2. Now A2 was 11 and A1 was 7. 11 minus 7 should be equal to 15 minus 11. 15 minus 11. Now 11 minus 7 is 4. 15 minus 11 is also 4. Yes. We'll write, so this is an AP. And now we'll find out the sum of first 15 terms. So S15 equals to 15 by 2. 2a plus n minus 1d. A is 7. 2 into 7, 14. Oh, yes. 14 plus n minus 1. N minus 1 means 15 minus 1, which is 14 into d. Difference is coming 4. 14 into 4. 14 plus 56. 15 by 2 into 70. So our answer will be 35 into 15. And when you solve this, you will get the answer. Okay. Now let's continue with the next question. here we have to, here it is the same question but just the second part. Here an is given different and else all things are same. An equal to 9 minus 5n. Now first term will be 9 minus 5, 4, and second term will be 9 minus 10 minus 1. Third term will be 9 minus 15 minus 6. Now we'll just subtract these, and if we get the difference same, then yes, this is AP. So for AP, A2 minus A equal to A3 minus A2. A2 minus A will be minus 1 minus 4 equal to minus 6 minus 1, and here we have to keep minus 1 in bracket because there was negative, and in bracket we will keep negative term, because after solving this we'll get positive 1, means plus 1. Minus 5 equal to minus 6 plus 1, which is also minus 5. This is forming an AP because the difference comes same. So what we will do? We'll now find S15. Sum of 15 terms will be 15 by 2 into 2 into A, 2 into 4 into plus n minus 1 into D. Now n is 15, so again 14 into D. D was minus 5. So 14 5 is 70, minus 70. 15 by 2 into minus 62. This will be 31. And hence our answer will be 15 into minus 31. Okay. Now in this question, the sum of first n terms. In the previous question, it was first term, second term, third term, and all these. Means we have to find out the term. But now it is sum of terms. Means Sn is given and there an was given. So Sn is 4n minus n square. Then we have to find out, firstly it is first term. Then we have to find out sum of first two terms. Then second term. And then we have to find out third, 10th and the nth terms. Let's find out. Sn is 4n minus n square. So see, what is Sn? Sn means sum of nth terms. How you write it? First term plus second term plus third term plus fourth term and then so on. If it is sum of first two terms, then you will write it as first term plus second term. But now it is itself the sum of first term. Means sum of first term is equal to first term. So we'll write it Sn equal to an. In which case, when n equals to 1. So it will be S1 plus A1. This will be equal to 4n minus n square. Means 4 into 1. 4 into 1, which is 4. Minus n square. 1 square is 1 only. So it will be 3. Now A is 3. So we can find out S2. Sum of first two terms will be again 4n minus n square. So 4 into 2 minus 2 square, which is 4. 4 into 2 minus 4. It is 4. Now sum of first two term we have got. Sum of first term we have got. Now we have to find out second term. How do we find second term? See, if it is given first three terms sum, if we subtract first and second term from it, then we get the third term. How? See, sum of first three terms is first term plus second term plus third term. If first term and second terms are removed, then we get the third term. Similarly here, if we subtract sum of first term from sum of second term, then we get the second term. So, sorry, not this. A2 will be 4 minus 3. S2 minus S1. 4 minus 3, which is 1. Now from here, we can find out the D. 4 minus 1. D will be A2 minus A1. So it will be 1 minus 4, not 4 minus 1. Because it is always second term minus first term. So 1 minus 4. Here 1 and here it was 3. Oh, sorry. So here it will be 3. A1 is 3. 2. That 2 negative. So minus 2 is different. Now we can find out these terms without doing any SN or anything, without using this formula. We'll just put the value of D, put the value of A, and then we can find out the answers. So A3 will be A means 3 plus n minus 1 means 2 into D. D we have found out, which is minus 2. So 3 minus 4 minus 1. This is A3. Similarly, we can find out A10. 10th term. This will be A, again 3 plus n minus 1 means 10 minus 1, 9 into D. D is minus 2. 3 minus 18 minus 15. This is 10th term. Now at last, what is left? We have to find out nth term. So an, a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 3 plus n d. N d. D is minus 2. This will also be in bracket. 3 plus, sorry, minus. 3 minus, why minus? Because when we will multiply minus 2 with plus n, so minus into plus or minus plus plus, so this will always be minus. So plus n into minus 2 will be minus 2n. Then minus 2 into minus 1, it will be plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 2n. This will be our answer. Now let's continue. Here, sixth question, or you can say the question number 12 of the exercise, sixth question of our video. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. So first 40 positive integers, their first term will be 6, because the first divisible integer by 6 is always 6 only. Now first 40 integers will be 12, 18, 24 and so on. Means n is equal to 40. Now we can find out the last term. We'll have to find out the last term because d is also 6. Okay. Last term means an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now an was 40, a was 6. 6 plus 40 minus 1 is 39 into d is 6. 234. This will be the value of our an. This will be 240. Now 240. This is the value of an, and we have to find out the sum of first 40 positive integers. So S40 equals to A means 6, n by 2, 40 by 2, 20 into 2a plus n minus 1d, or you can say a plus l, first term and the last term, 6 and last term is 240. Twenty into 246, and when we multiply this, we'll get 4920. This will be the answer of sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Now here, next question. Find the sum of first 15 multiples. See, numbers divisible or multiples mean the same. So 15 multiples of 8, again the same thing. First term will be 8, difference will be 8, and then n equal to 15. So Sn will be n by 2, 15 by 2, 2 into a, 2 8 is 16, plus n minus 1d, 15 minus 1, 14 into 8, 140 minus 28, 112. When we solve this, we get 15 by 2 into 112, 128, 64. So answer will be 15 into 64, 640 plus 320, 0, 6 and 9. 960 will be our answer of this question, equal to 960. Now here find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. So obviously 0 and 50, the first odd number is 1. So A will be 1. Now then, last odd number in this sequence will be 49. How? Because the number between means 0 should not come, 50 should not come, and they'll not come also because they are not odd numbers. We cannot exceed them, but we can go under them. So it will be the last term, means 49. 50 minus 1, 49. L equal to 49. And also what was given to us? Difference will be 2. To get the next odd number, what we do? We add 2 to this. Why? Because if we add 1, then we get an even number. But if we add 2, then we get odd number. If the number was odd. D is 2. D is 2, L is 49A, and then we have to find out sum. So we will require n also. And to find out n, what we do? An equal to a plus n minus 1d. An is given to us, it is 49, equal to 1 plus n minus 1, or you can say 2n minus 2. 50 equals to 2n. N will be 25. And now we can solve our question. Sn will be n by 2 A plus L. Why A plus L? Because sum of first n terms can also be written as A plus L or A plus AN, first term plus last term. When we solve this, 15 by 2, there you get A plus L. A is 1, L is 49, means 50. 15 into 25, 125 plus 250, 375 will be our answer. Wait a second. Yes. Now we'll continue with our last question of this video, which is a construction contract specifies a delay penalty of 200 rupees per day for 1 day, 250 for 2 days, 300 for 3 days, etc. Means 50 rupees is succeeding or increasing for each day. If the contractor delayed 30 days, what will he do? He'll have to pay. Now, how much will he have to pay? See, first term A is 200 for day 1. For day 2 is 250, so we can say that difference is 50. Sorry, 50. Now, n is given. N is 30. Now we have to find out A plus n minus 1d, means nth term. An equals to A plus n minus 1 into d. When we solve it, A is 200 plus n minus 1 means 29 into d is 50. 29 into 50 plus 200. We have to solve this. 200 50 into 29. It is 0, 45, 100, 0541, 1450. N plus 200 will be 1650, which is our answer, final answer. And here our part 3 gets over. In the next video, I'll start with next questions, because this exercise is so long, it might have taken 2 hours if we add the duration of all videos. Then okay, I hope you like the video and hope you understand all the questions. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.